That one is giving like, ooh.
When you see the video. Simple moisturizer.
Show us the jungle you see.
Back to school.
Yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi or Jewel, whichever you wanna call me, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Period. I slept without my bonnet last night, so now my hair look crazy, but we're gonna fix that. Today is Monday and today is my first day back to school, so I'm going to be going back to school today. I'm in school already, but like I'll be attending lectures today. My lips are so dry. Yeah, this is much better. The time is around 7 something. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. I have my class by 10 o'clock, but I like to go. My friend and I like to go like 30 minutes before the class. I like to be in class before the lecturer is there, because apart from the fact that it's actually not nice, I don't like going in when everyone is seated, and I just like walk in and all eyes are on me. I do not like it. Apart from that, I'm going to get like the best seats, because I don't like sitting at the back. Number one, my eye, I'm not gonna see anything. I'm not gonna see shit. My energy is kind of low this morning because I just woke up, obviously, like, but don't worry, the energy is gonna be back later. But first, I'm going to do my hair. I haven't had my bath yet. I like to do my hair first after my skincare and after I brush my teeth, because it's just like when I do my skincare and brush my teeth, I'm like awake, like like the moment I put water on my face, like, yeah, we are awake now. So I like to do my skincare and brush my teeth first, then I'll do my hair, then I'll take my bath, because when I do my hair, I have like hair on my body and hair stuff, and it's just nasty. I've been using this pattern for like more than a week. I've been slicking my hair back and I haven't been making new pattern. So since it's first day back to school, I'm gonna make a new pattern. I did this yesterday night, so I don't think I need to add this again. Let's just go through my hair like that. is I've been taking turmeric water every morning. I mix turmeric in a warm I mix turmeric with water, then I add some honey and lemon. But the lemon I currently have is not good anymore. I just found out that my lemon, yeah, so I'm not going to be using that. So instead I'm just going to use some honey and turmeric. It doesn't taste good, because anyone is wondering. It tastes like, it's not bad, but it doesn't taste like this is so nice. It doesn't taste like, I like to wash my mouth immediately because it stains your teeth. So okay, my friends always mock me about my spoons because they're like big and like heavy, but that's how I like my spoons. I don't like all those tiny ass spoons. I like my spoon big and freaking heavy. Okay, I'll see you guys once this is done. I like adding some honey in my oats, by the way. So this is my breakfast. I have oats, honey, and some milk and sugar. Guys, this is when I get ready. I do my skincare and my makeup. And I say makeup, I mean I'm just going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to lay my eyebrows down so they don't move. Then I'm going to do some mascara and blush. That's it. That is it. That's the best no makeup look you ever see. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 lip glosses. I'll be using this one. Please don't mind my laundry. Yeah, I'm going to do it later. Then I'm going to be using this one. I'm done my makeup and I'm going to wear my outfit now. I picked out my outfit already. I'm going to be wearing this jean from I don't Meet Me. I don't know. For my tops, I have 2 options for my tops. I don't know if I should wear this one or I should just wear this pink one. But I'm going to try out the 2 and I'll just wear the one I think fits better. Perfecto. I'm going to wear the top and I'll be back. This is the first option. I don't know. I think I like it, but like I don't really wear short tops. I don't wear tops that are not bigger than me. Guys, this is the second option. At this point, I don't know which one to choose. This one is giving like casual look, and that one is giving like ooh. I have 2 options. I don't know if I should wear these boots or I should wear this one. Which one? This one. Okay. Can you say this one? So we're going with this one. I got this pencil case. If you guys haven't seen my Lagos vlog, you won't know. So why are you missing vlogs? Why are you missing my videos? So I already have some pen in here. I'm going to remove some. I don't want everything. I'm going to leave this red, and I'm going to take one blue, one black, one red, and some highlighters. Then I have this pouch thingy. Taking this, I have to use it first though. So I'm going to be putting this here. For the lip gloss, I'm only going to be taking, I'll be taking this MAC lip gloss, literally my favorite. Let me just say all my lip glosses are my favorite at this point. I'm going to be taking this pink lip gloss. I'm going to be taking this lip balm. I'll be taking this hand sanitizer. I'll be taking this perfume oil. I have to use it first though. Some floss. I'm just going to put two inside here. So that will be all inside this bag. And my pencil case. I have my wallet. I have my glasses, my actual glasses. I'm going to be taking some sunglasses. I'm going to be taking my notes. I have my assignments in here. So I'm going to be taking my notes and my assignment. I'm going to be taking this ruler, this higher education. I like to take some foolscap sheets in case you have like a test or something, so I won't have to go by when I have it. And like you can't even get all the time. You have to like go out of the class and all when everyone's already doing their test. I like to take two with me in case anyone wants it too, so I can just share. Then I'll be taking my power bank. I think that's all. Yeah. Fill in my water bottle. I'm going to be taking a snack with me. I still need to take my charger. And that is it. Also do add some hair ties in case this one break or something. So I do add some hair ties. I have some bobby pins. Yes. I have some wipes. Also going in here.
Let's go.
Done. Outfit of the day. My top from my sister. This, I can't remember the brand. Boots from like some random store. This bag, also from my sister. Yeah. This is Kenny's outfit. Back to school.
Yeah.
Now me they look for. Yes, ma'am.
Talking inside the class. Are you sure this is my school?
I have a very bad behavior, a very, very bad one at that.
Friends results here in the music sheet. That's it. our YouTube channel.
Subscribe for more, so we'll give you more Bombas YouTube video, like on how Kwasu is and on how our friends could be.
We're waiting for our lecturer. Swag. Swag. Say hi.
With what?
Say
You
hi.
pay now with this.
Look at the sky.
Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up.
I'm looking stunning. I'm looking glow. Hey lovelies, I'm back from class. And when I say I am tired, I am literally so tired. Like, today was stressful. We were supposed to have 3 classes. They canceled one, and we had the first one. We had the second one for like 30 minutes ish, and then the third one was cancelled. Then my friend and I went to the market to get some things, and we also went to some stores to get some things. So I'm going to show you guys the things I got. So firstly, I got the simple moisturizer. Then I got this gel. I know the video I posted before this video, the video you guys saw before this video, I got this thing. Then I got it, and I use this thing like 5 to 6 times, then it's all done, because I use it to sleek my hair. Like, mostly people use it on their edges, but I like to use this one to sleek my hair, because the eco styling gel does not work for my hair. My hair is fussy, so I have to get another one, because I have like just little to nothing left in the one I got in my last video. You guys know I lost my setting spray, and I had to get another one. I haven't tried this one before, but I do see it on TikTok, so I decided to get this one. And also I got Vaseline. Also got this lip gloss. I'm really so tired right now. Like, I'm sleepy, I am hungry, I am sweaty. But today was a productive day. I woke up early, I did my hair, my skincare, go to class, go see my supervisor, got some things that I needed, and yeah. So I'm just going to end this video here, because there's nothing else to vlog, to be honest. I'm just going to have lunch and probably just be on my phone or sleep or read some books. So I don't want to bore you guys out with all those things. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you'd like to see on my channel. I know I'll definitely do it for you guys. Subscribe if you haven't. If you haven't subscribed, what are you even doing? If you are watching my video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please do. And yeah, make sure you share this video with your friends and your family. Support your girl, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao.